boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have KHEA here. He was with us before many times. Now this song is called EFECTO. It's a very easy song to play and handle, guys. 4 chords only. I'm gonna give you 3 variations of handling these chords like I showed you here in the introduction of this tutorial. So let's go capo on first. That's what we need, and the 4 chords will be D, G, B minor, and A. Let's take a look at each chord now. So starting with the D, that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Next is the G, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. We have B minor, it's a bar chord. So you place a bar here on the 2nd fret and you bar all strings except from the last E here in the bass. So bar there on 2nd, and then the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. And the final chord is A. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. Okay guys, so I promised 3 different ways of handling the chords. We'll start from the bottom, and the easiest one here, it will be 4 downs per chord. So 1, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, B minor, 2, 3, 4, and A, 2, 3, 4. And I forgot to say, perhaps, but the chords will be in the same way through the entire song in that order: D, G, B minor, and A. So 4 downs per chord, about that tempo that we just played is the standard tempo. That is the first and easiest way of handling it. The next one will be down clap. So at D here, we'll start on the first chord. It will be like this, or it's a difference there. If you clap on the strings, all strings like that, you will kill the sound. You could do that. But I prefer to do the clap on just the E string here in the bass. That will be more live, so to speak. The other strings will ring out, so you have sound in between there. So down, clap. And the chord still rings out there in the background. All right. So down clap is 1 round. You're gonna do 2 rounds per chord. So it will be down clap, D clap, G clap, G clap, B minor clap, B minor, and A, and over again. Okay. So that is the second way of handling the chords. And the final way is a little bit more work there with your strumming hand. 1 round will be 4 downs, then a clap, then 3 downs. And you're gonna do 2 rounds per chord. So 1, 2, 3, 4, clap, 1, 2, 3. That is 1 round. And you're gonna do for 2 rounds. So 4 downs, clap. I prefer on the E string again, but you can do it actually on all strings. The here it's more okay since you have more work here and you give push sounds very frequently here with all the downs. So 4 downs, clap, and 3 downs. That's 1 round, and you do that for 2 rounds per chord. So D. G. Right, and that was the final way of handling these chords, and that pretty much covers KHEA's EFECTO. So give it a try, guys. 4 chords, very easy. You can focus more on your strumming hand there. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it, and until next time, play tuned.